Well, here it is. 25-year mechanics tool collection. That's a Master Series box, stainless top, power strip. Sorted bullshit, extra sockets, meters, electrical stuff. Lunch. Some extra wrenches, torque wrenches. All my extra pliers, extra screwdrivers, caliper. Carryover hammers, my air hammer. There's a hammer, right? Some of my picks, panel tools, just bullshit, junk. Some more big wrenches, big plier sets, more wrenches, pry bars, other implements of destruction. Extra drill bits, more drill bits, piece of shit cordless ratchet from Snap-on, not impressed. Horse drill, snap ring plier sets, pickle fork set, big yeah buddies. All the big wrenches, brake spring pliers, another pickle fork set. Yeah, I'm a heavy duty mechanic. Most of my stuff's in this cart. That's packed, yeah. That's where all the sockets are. Ratchets. Bars, more tools, drivers, big screwdrivers. Stay up there, bitch. Got a lot of shit jammed in here. The rest of my sockets. These are all the standard wrenches. Yeah, I still use standards. There's all the metric stuff. And some more metric pliers. Sockets, I mean, Jesus, I'm not awake yet, guys. Pliers, screwdrivers, other good time shit. All my hammers, my air ratchets. All my impact tools, electric and pneumatic, and they get used and beat to shit. Bottom drawer, got all kinds of goodies, some 12-point sockets, Allen bits, crimping tools, got a 1/4-inch set under there. Just a lot of shit. I know where it's all at. Puller sets, thread chasers, coolant pressure tester, more pry bars. Come fuck with me. Yeah, not real in depth, I know, but there you go.